Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your essential texture maps and configuring the project for physically based workflow. Import albedo, normal, roughness, and metallic at matching resolution, then set linear rendering and proper sRGB flags. Normals remain non-color. Next, make a base material node with inputs for the 4 maps and a texture tiling parameter. This immediate setup lets you iterate quickly. Once done, plug albedo into base color, normal into the normal input, and leave roughness and metallic ready for blending to control surface energy and microfacet behavior. Now focus on shaping the material response. Derive ambient occlusion or curvature from height data and multiply it with albedo to ground the shading. Plug a roughness variation map and use a levels node to remap values into a usable 0. 0, 5 to 0. 9 range so highlights behave realistically. For metals, use a metallic mask to switch energy behavior and set Fresnel/IOR values appropriate to the material. Make sure to clamp values and normalize channels. This prevents unrealistic energy gain and keeps reflections physically plausible. Finish by baking final composite maps and exporting MIP mapped, compressed textures for your target platform. Optimize the shader by simplifying node chains, using LODs and atlasing textures when appropriate to save memory. Test under multiple lighting environments. Make small tweaks to roughness and IOR to match reference. If reflections appear too sharp or too dull, check your normal map space. Confirm textures, use linear versus sRGB correctly, and revisit roughness remap levels. Those 3 issues solve most PBR appearance problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.